Hi you guys, welcome back to Brittany Olivia, and in today's video we will be making a crochet wig using Freetress water wave. As you can see, I'm already spreading the strands apart. Sometimes I spread it into 2 or 3 strands, sometimes I don't separate it at all, you guys. As you can see, I already have some done. As you can see, I have my neck cap, and now I'm going through about 2 or 3 holes with the hair, looping it through and tying it in a knot, you guys. You want to go through 2 or 3 holes. Sometimes I just go through one. If you go through too many holes at once, your cap will eventually get too small, so do be careful of that, you guys. So you guys, once I have the hair through the holes, I bring one end of the hair through the loop of the hair, I twist it, then I bring the hair back through the loop, and then I secure the knot. After you secure the knot, you pretty much repeat the process until your wig is done.